Analyzing cause and effect can help students better understand the relationship between historical events as well as actions and consequences. Importance of cause and effect. Looking at cause and effect while studying historical events helps students organize events in chronological order, understand the relationship between events, look carefully at consequences of a particular action or actions, and consider how things could have been different if other choices had been made. It's important for students to know what vocabulary words they can use. Some might be conjunctions, others transitions, or prepositions, such as the ones you see in this chart. Using an anchor chart or graphic organizer can really help students visualize the information. A cause and effect anchor chart can remind students of the definition of each word with some visuals and an example. Where graphic organizers are also a good way to support students' thinking when organizing cause and effect events or relationships. The use of photo and visuals can be very effective for ELs and other students who need to better understand the concept. You might also want to use a mentor text or an example. In Unit 3, there is a great example with an article about Jerusalem. Students can read and look for cause and effect relationships that explain why Jerusalem is so significant for the Islamic, Jewish, and Christian religions. Color coding text. Color coding causes and effects can also be a good way to encourage students to demonstrate their understanding of events. Students can also use the labels cause and effect to arrange cards with information on them according to what they believe to be the cause and effect. For example, we see here some cause and effects labels as well as 6 different cards. Students can match each one to the reasons why the Jewish, Muslim, and Christian religion consider Jerusalem to be holy. Using notes and illustrations can help students visualize information, which will support in remembering what they are learning. There are various ways to support learning about cause and effect. Students understand historical events better when they can explain how one event leads into the next. Teachers can use pictures, illustrations, notes, or mentor text to support students with identifying causes and effects. Students should know what vocabulary words to use to define the relationship between events. They can use anchor charts for reference or graphic organizers to arrange their thoughts. Color coding text or using cards to match causes and effects is also an effective way to support students' understanding. We want students to be able to demonstrate their comprehension of causes and effects so that they may better understand the relationship between actions and consequences in history as well as in current times.